Hello, I have discussed from question number 1 to 11 in my previous video. Go through the playlist and check the video. Here question number 12. This question is from Concept of Physics by HC Verma. The question is saying A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A1 be a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides have same length. Write x component, the vector represented by 6 sides taken in order. Okay, then use the fact that the resultant of 6 vector is 0 and prove that cos 0, cos pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3, cos 3 pi by 3, cos 4 pi by 3 and cos 5 pi by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then we start. Here this angle is given that this is 60 degree. Okay, as it is a regular hexagon, so if I extend this A2 vector, this is also 60 degree. Okay, then if I extend this is also 60 degree, and if I extend this, then this is also 60 degree. If I extend this line also, this is also 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. And look, the total angle this A2 vector makes with the x-axis is, if I make this x-axis here, then this total angle will become 120. How? Look here. If these two lines are parallel, then I draw a line intersecting these two lines, then these two angles are same. Okay, so this is 60 degree, so like this it is also 60 degree. In total it will become 120 degree. Okay, so likewise if I make this angle, this is the x-axis, then this angle in total will become 180. Okay, and this angle in total become 240. And now this is our x-axis, so this angle, this large angle will become 300, right? Okay, and this is 360, like this. Okay, so coming to the point, now we have to write the x component. So first we have to write x component. So Rx is here, this a1 axis, this is a1 vector, so this is a1 vector. So this is, we have to just erase it because large number of line is there. So okay, so this is our a1 vector and this is along x-axis, so angle is 0 degree, so I just write it as this, as a1 cos 0 degree. Similarly, this is our a2 vector, this makes an angle 60 degree with x-axis, so I can write it as a2 cos 60. And now this is our a3 vector, here this is going on, and this is makes an angle 120 degree with x-axis, so I can write a3 is cos 120 degree. Similarly, here our a4 vector, this one is our a4 vector, which is opposite, this one is our a4 vector, this one. Okay, so which makes an angle, this is looks totally opposite direction of x-axis, so it makes an angle 180 degree with the x-axis, so I just write a4 cos 180 degree. Similarly, this one our a5 vector, so it makes an angle 240 degree with the x-axis, so as it taken in order, so I am writing in order, so it's a5 cos 240 degree. Similarly, this A6 vector, this makes an angle 300 degree. So I write A6 cos, sorry, so I write here, so it is A6 cos 300 degree. If I write in pi, then I find that it's A1 cos 0 degree. Similarly, it's A2 cos pi by 3 because 60 degree is pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 plus A2, sorry, A3 cos 2 pi by 3 plus A4 cos 3 pi by 3 plus A5 cos 4 pi by 3 plus A6 cos 5 pi by 6. Okay, now, and one fact is given that we have to use that the resultant of 6 vector is 0. So we have to use this concept here. That means here the main resultant is 0. That means we can write Rx, the x component of resultant also 0, and and y component of resultant also 0. So as also given that it is a regular hexagon, so A1 magnitude is equal to A2 magnitude is equal to A3 magnitude is equal to A4 magnitude is equal to A5 magnitude, similarly A6 magnitude. So all six sides are same. So now in this equation 1 I have to put that. Now I find I have to use the resultant. So vector is 0, so Rx is equal to 0, and I put here all the vectors are similar, so I take all are A. So I can write similarly A cos 0 plus A cos pi by 3 plus A cos 2 pi by 3 plus A cos 3 pi by 3 plus cos A cos 4 pi by 3. Similarly, A cos 5 pi by 3 is equal to 0. And taking A as common, so I found cos 0 plus cos pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3 plus cos 3 pi by 3. Similarly, plus cos 4 pi by 3 plus cos 5 pi by 3 is equal to 0. So which is asked to prove. Okay, so we proved and the question is solved. Okay, so next question. The next question is question number 30, which is saying that if A vector is this 2i cap, 3j cap, 4k cap, and B vector is 3i cap, 4j cap, 5k cap, find the angle between them. Okay, so we have to just simply apply the dot product. If I know if A dot B, then I know the result is A vector B cos theta. Here A is A magnitude, B vector is B magnitude. So I can write cos theta is equal to A dot B, sorry, A dot B vector divided by A vector magnitude into B vector magnitude. So first we have to find A vector magnitude. So here we have to find A vector magnitude. For A vector magnitude, we have to write x x component of a vector, which is 2 square, plus y component 3 square, plus 4 square, which is z component root over. In overall, I find that it's 4 plus 9 plus 16. So it's around 16, 25, it's 29. 29. Similarly, if you have to find b vector magnitude, which is 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square, okay, so it's 9 plus 16 plus 25, it's around 50 root of, okay, which I can write 5 root 2, okay, right. So now coming to here and the dot product. I know the dot, when we have to find dot product, we just multiply the x component with x component, y component with y component, and z component with z component. That means our a vector dot b vector is 2 I cap dot 3 I cap plus 3 j cap with 4 j cap plus 4 k cap with 5 k cap. Here, okay, I cap dot I cap is 1, so it's become 6. Similarly, here j cap into j cap is 1, so 3 into 4 is 12, plus, so k cap into k cap is 1, 4 into 5 is 20, so in total it become 38. Okay, okay. So now the angle is cos theta, which is 38, because a dot b is 38, divided by a magnitude, a vector magnitude, which is root 29, plus, sorry, into 5 root. If I calculate, then I found theta is cos inverse 38 divided by 5 into root 58. Okay, and this is the answer.